station is now open in Pleasant Grove to help people in that area. Princeton Baptist Medical Center opened the clinic next door to the Pleasant Grove Pharmacy on Pleasant Grove Road. The staff will be able to treat minor injuries between 8 and 5 Saturday.
Baptist Health System has set up a first aid clinic for anyone needing medical aid or clothing in the area.
We know we've lost a lot of friends and loved ones, and we just want to be as helpful as we can. It just means a whole lot to do that.
I can't get out, can't nobody come in, and God has sent these wonderful people here.
Our house was flattened, so we're grateful for anything that we can get, and very much appreciate Princeton Health Center for giving us the supply.
For some of those volunteers, the wreckage hits close to home. Terry Lamons is a longtime resident of Pleasant Grove. She knows the best thing she can do at this time is give back.
To see what these people are going through, it's been very touching, and wish we could do more, but we are here, and hope that people know that we're here to try to help.
Joining me is Dr. Gary Fisher. He's with Baptist Health System. Thank you so much for joining us. All right, first thing first, tell us what you're doing right now to assist the storm victims.
We have opened 3 sites as of today. We have a site in Pleasant Grove, one in Concord, and then at Scott Elementary School in Pratt City. There's a possibility of one more site being opened later on this week where we see the victims of the storm for maintenance medications like blood pressure, diabetes. We've seen some puncture wounds, as was just indicated. We've given tetanus shots at all of those locations, and primarily going out into the community and trying to locate people that are in need of medical help that probably can't get to the sites where we are.
A warning to be careful if you're helping clean debris in areas destroyed by the tornadoes. All of the debris can be dangerous, as you know, and first aid stations have been really busy. Homeowners and volunteers are cleaning up in the damage zones. They've been treated for numerous injuries since last week: puncture wounds, cuts, scratches, even poison oak. The Baptist Health System's free first aid clinic has been taking place in Pleasant Grove. They've treated more than 400 people since Friday. Most have been given tetanus shots. Doctors and nurses at the clinic say many of the injuries could have been prevented if people wore long sleeves, hats, gloves, and surgical masks if the dust is too bad for them. They say it's also important to protect your feet.
Just make sure you're wearing solid shoes. Tennis shoes are fine. Please don't wear flip-flops when you're in this debris. We've seen, again, a lot of people with these nail holes in their feet, and we want to make sure that they're taking every precaution.
Well, the services at the first aid station, they're free. It's open Monday through Saturday from 6 a.m. until 8 p.m.
A free health clinic mending wounds, giving shots and checking blood pressure in the Pratt City neighborhood of Birmingham. Baptist Health System, Faith Chapel Christian Center, and Empower Ministries teamed up to staff the mobile medical bus. It will be on Avenue T through tomorrow. The group's already seen 100 patients.
With so many people digging through what's left of their homes, there isn't time to do the things we all take for granted, like going to see a doctor. So tomorrow, the doctors will go to them. A mobile medical unit arrives in Pratt City tomorrow. Faith Chapel Christian Center and Princeton Hospital are teaming up to run a mobile medical unit. It'll be open from 10 until 4 tomorrow and Saturday. You'll be able to find it on the corner of Avenue T and Pratt Highway.